Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by gathering assets and enabling permissions. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. Add the Open App action and choose the app you want to replace. Then tap the three dots, choose Add to Home Screen, and tap the icon area to select your prepared image. Once done, name the shortcut exactly how you want it to appear. Make sure Shortcuts has permission to add icons to the home screen so the process continues smoothly. Now customize appearance and behavior. When you tap the icon area, pick Photo or File and select the PNG you prepared. Choosing a transparent background keeps the shape crisp. Once the image is set, check that the shortcut triggers the exact Open App action. If not, edit the shortcut actions. Test by adding it to a spare home screen page and launching it. This confirms launch timing and that the icon appears as intended. Make adjustments to the file if colors or padding look off. Finish by arranging the new shortcut in your desired spot, and if you prefer, hide the original app in the app library to avoid duplicate clutter. If the shortcut momentarily opens shortcuts before launching the app, edit the shortcut and ensure the single action is Open App. Chaining unnecessary steps can cause detours. If the icon image fails to show or appears low resolution, re-import a correctly sized PNG and verify file access. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot the device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.